All right, guys, we are back in the garage today working on the 2011 Toyota RAV4. Had this company, AUTOONE LED lights, reach out to do a review on some of their LED bulbs that they make. They make them for all different kinds of cars. You can go ahead and look up on their website, which model you'll need. But they sent these out to me to do a little review on. We'll do a short unboxing video, and we'll get these swapped out into the headlights. Should be pretty simple. We're just gonna be taking out the old bulbs and replacing these. I will have a before and after video at the end as well, just to kind of compare the two and the brightness between them. The last time we were out camping, my girlfriend mentioned how dim my lights were. She was like, are your headlights even on? Sometimes compared to other cars, you could barely tell that they were on. So we're gonna be swapping these out, comparing them side by side, and we'll do a little review. I will have an affiliate link in the link below, so if you guys want to go ahead and grab you some, go through my link and hook your boy up a little bit as well. So yeah. All right, I have not cracked into these yet. What they look like here. Oh, nice. They even come with some little gloves so you don't touch the light bulbs. I'm not sure what this pack is. Looks like there's some kind of set screw, Allen wrench, some adhesive, and some zip ties. And looks like there's a little info packet here on some installation steps. And those are gonna be the new bulbs. So it looks like they have interesting attachment here. Should be, hoping this is just like a little plug and play. Let's go see if we can't get these installed real quick. Okay, so I already did the first one. It's kind of hard to get a shot of what's going on back there. But yeah, your low beam is gonna be the farther bulb from the inside. So you're just gonna wanna reach in, just turn that counterclockwise, and it should pop out. And you can just pull that guy right out. It's right down there. Let's see if I can give you guys a shot here. All right, so there's the light bulb pulled out. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect that from the connector. And then this new one has just this little, I don't know if this is some sort of converter or something, not too sure, but you just plug that into the old plug, and then this whole unit just turns right back into the headlight. So it does say you want these facing to 9 and 3 o'clock. When you put them in, you can see there's two LED little bulbs right there. So make sure those are facing 9 and 3, and we should be good. You can see, well, you can't really see, but I already put the other one on this side. So probably just gonna go ahead and disconnect this reservoir because it's kind of in the way. Looks like it's just a couple of 10 mils, and I can kind of push it out of the way. Okay, moved over the reservoir, so I have a lot more room to work. Get two hands in here, kind of. There it is. Okay. So the LED light bulbs are installed. Super easy, probably took me about 10-15 minutes maybe. Does come with some zip ties to like tie the little converter thing up somewhere. Honestly, mine are fine, there's plenty of room, so not hitting anything. Didn't use those. There is also a way to adjust the beam. That's what the set screws and the little Allen wrench are for. I tossed them in, made sure they're both pointed at 9 and 3 o'clock. And we'll test them out later tonight to see how they look, and make sure that the beam is adjusted properly, and if not, we'll adjust that a little later on. Yeah, let's check out to see what they look like at night. All right, so here's some crappy footage to compare the two. You can see the old light bulbs on the left and the new LED ones on the right. Definitely a brighter white light. Beam feels like I can see it farther. Overall, an upgrade. So yeah, shout out to AUTOONE LED. You can get 15% off if you use my code SBGUS. So check out that link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, and thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. Much brighter.